you all for coming. I'm Alex King, I'm the Ames Lab director, and I'd say today I'm just bursting with pride. We're here to welcome back Danny Shechtman, Nobel Prize winner, his first return to the lab since the award of the Nobel Prize. So, Danny.
I was sitting there at my desk, working on my computer, and the telephone rings, and it said, "Danny speaking," in Hebrew. And the voice says, "Hello." "This is the World Swedish Academy of Sciences. Please hold the line. Very important message." I say, "Uh-oh." I didn't know that that day they announced Nobel Prize in Chemistry. I never knew that there was a candidate for Nobel Prize in Chemistry. I knew that there was a candidate for Nobel Prize in Physics, but I never knew that there was a candidate for chemistry. And I never knew the date in which they announced it. Now I know, it's 2 days after physics.
As a scientist, I also want to say how grateful I am to Dr. Shechtman for not only his pioneering work, but for his perseverance and sticking to his findings. As I read the story, I was fascinated how he stuck to his guns despite some controversy, did it a professional way, and is a great role model for our young scientists today.
So I left my computer and I was sitting there just looking at the room, thinking, what does it mean? What will happen now? And I didn't even imagine 1% of what was going to happen. I knew vaguely that there will be more activities and talks. No. It's a new phase. All my talks are aimed at the students. And what my message to them is, if you want to succeed in your career, become an expert in something. Be a professional. And I stress that and I explain them. And I always tell them, regardless of the age, sometimes I speak to high school students, and I tell them, you can start now. Be an expert. If you're an expert, you will succeed in your career, I promise you.